Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Logitech G533 mic not working. If your Logitech G533 mic not working, then we need to follow some steps. This is the solution for you. Turning off noise removal in G-Hub seems to have fixed this for me. So you will need to turn off noise removal in G-Hub. You need to try this thing. After hopefully your problem will be fixed. This is the first thing you need to try. And the second thing you need to try. To start the troubleshooting, please complete the following. First, disconnect and reconnect everything. Second, try a different power source. Third, check your audio settings if the sound card is set as default recording device. Fourth, right click on the speaker or sound icon on your system tray where the clock is and choose recording device. Fifth, tap the microphone. Sixth, upon test, it will not get any sound. Try the device on the different USB port. Seventh, you could also try the device on different computer to further determine the root cause of the issue. 8. Try checking the mute button at the back of the headset. For that, try to uninstall and reinstall the Logitech gaming software /GHub. If it still has the same issue, download and install lower version of the software. Connect to another port and computer if possible. So these are the possible fixes related to your problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.